What's up guys, this is your host Ajaz and welcome back to my YouTube channel Ajaz Umar Ansari. So I have not been uploading vlogs very frequently because there is a reason, and secondly my Harley battery got dead, so I wasn't able to vlog like make motor vlog videos for you guys. First of all, we will have a coffee, and where to have a good coffee? Right here. To make a good coffee, switch on. Wait, let us see machine right. So machine अभी इनिशियलाइजेशन हो रही है और उसमें काफ़ी टाइम लग सकता है. So ये जो वीडियो है वो है पोकोफोन के बारे में. 3-4 महीने पहले मैंने पोको F1 लिया था and the screen is completely shattered and मैं बाइक चला रहा था, वो फ़ोन स्लिप ऑफ हो गया एंड पूरी स्क्रीन डैमेज हो चुकी है. सो पहले हम कॉफ़ी पी लेते हैं और I'll show you how to make a coffee first of all. Let's have a cup of coffee. Look at that, so delicious. Now some people prefer usually 1 sugar, but I like 2. So back to the video. Go to the shopkeeper, and so the basic idea for this vlog is I'll get a new screen, like I'll show you a place where you can get your screen replaced. Any phone, it can be any phone, under rupees 600 only. Yes, you heard me right, under rupees 600 only. It can be an iPhone. I don't know about iPhone, but yeah, I got this phone screen changed only for rupees 600. So yeah, let's get into this.
Okay guys, so this is my Poco F1. See, the screen has been broken badly and it's working.
Sometimes I know, sometimes I'm so home. Sometimes I know,
and becoming the best at it and mastering myself and seeing what I have within